morning, good afternoon, good evening. All right, today we'll talk about trend line double, major and minor. That is two trend line trading. This two trend line trading is more like a system of trading. Some people usually use this kind of system to trade, just normal a system of trading. Pure price movement, trend line trading. All right, let me show you guys what I mean by two trend line trading, guys. Let's dive into the actual chart and see what I mean by trend line trading. Let me explain what I mean by trend line trading. The trend line trading is a trading where you have a major trend line and a minor trend line, a major movement and a minor movement, a major road and a minor road. So you understand the explanation between major and minor. All right, let me show you guys what I mean by that without going more. All right, now let's take a look now let's take this low here and take this low here, a swing here and a swing here. Let me take this and extrapolate it, guys. Now we have this, we'll call this a major. Now let's take a look at minor. May we take this one here and take this one here too. Now you see this is a minor and this is a major one. So what do? If a market tends to break this trend line here and retest, we will now enter a trade and ride it down towards this trend line. And if you're getting to this trend line, we have a major market zone at this area. You see, we have a major market zone at this area. See that this is a zone where market tend to touch and reject, touch and reject, touch and reject. So if a market was break this trend line, maybe touch this trend line and close below this trend line and do a retest, we have a market movement that will come towards this what? Go short and enter this trend line, this major trend line here. All right, let's take a look at another one. If you're pushing long, right? Now let's take a look at this. It's a cool system, guys. It's a cool system. Let's take a look at this and this. Does it work? All right. Let's see if it works. The major, we have this one here. We also have this. Is this a swing high? All right. So markets breaks this. We have this. We use this as a target. So this doesn't play out clearly, and it didn't play out clearly. All right, we have this structure. This opportunity comes into the market anytime, anywhere you see it, right? It comes into the market anytime, any place. All right. Sorry guys, I shrink this chart so I can be able to see a structure. So we have a bullish, we have market downward, we have a bullish movement again. All right, let me see that. So let's take a look at this movement too. Let's take a look at this to this and what? Extrapolate it. We can call this major trend line, right? We can also call this major trend line too. So what did I do? I touched this swing low and the swing low here and higher swing low here. You see, swing low, you also swing low, also swing low. Then what happens? Markets came here, pull back. Now let's talk. These are the major what? Major swing trend line. Now let's draw a minor trend line. We have this. We may have this. Remember, a small gap, a big gap, not quite cool. We also have this too. We also have this. So let me take this as a swing low. Let me clear this, guys. Sorry. Sorry for that delay, guys. Now we call this a major one. This is also a major one too. Now we have this small minor one here, this small minor trend line here. Now what happened? I touched this swing low and the swing low here. What happened? Market breaks this. What am I expecting? If I go short, my target is this what? This trend line, this major trend line. And you can see the market played out clean and clear on this trend line. Now the market broke this trend line again. My target is what should be this major what? Trend line. Let's draw another trend line here again. Take a look at this trend line here. Okay, I think I didn't see the chart very well. All right, let's take a look at this trend line here and see what happens. This one and this one here. Then let us extrapolate it and see what happens. Let us extend it and see what happens. I think I got it right? Okay, I need to pull it down a little. Let me shrink it and pull it down a little. Sorry about that. But yeah. Now this is another trend line. So these are major one, major, major. You can still have another major here too. So the markets broke this tiny trend line. This was a target. It broke this one again. This was a target. It broke this one again. This becomes a target. Then if you want to get the target here too as a trend line, I think this will play out too. This one here and this one here, right? Okay. So these are the major trend line you can, target as your entry, right? So I've just show you guys example of this one here too as a trend line, two trend line trading. We call it a trading system, two trend line trading, the major and the minor. So you can be able to identify the major one, having a long spool space, and begin to identify the minor one. So this is the current market now, right? This is the current market. And if I want to draw a trend line now, I can be able to pick this two low here, this target here, and this 3-1. So you see, I collected these three movement here, right? And I extrapolated it, right? See, one, swing low, swing low, swing low. You see? So I connected these three up movement. Now I'm beginning to what? Find a valid movement here. I'm going to find a valid breakout or a valid test. So if this continue moving, and candle closes below this trend line, we still have another trend line here. If you want to draw a trend line, swing low and swing low here, you see. So you can, when the market breaks out this swing low here, this trend line here, and closes below, we may target this zone, this trend line here. So that is it about two trend line trading, the major and the minor. Okay, that's that about that. It's a trading system. You can see some opportunities in different currency pairs. If you're trading different currency pairs, this is a H4, a H1 time frame. You can switch to H4, and you can also get the same movements, right? All right, guys, this is Agatec FX. Thank you for listening to this lecture. And if you find it useful, if you find it cool, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video to your loved ones. Share this video to your loved ones. Like, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to join my Telegram group for signal that comes in with screenshots when they have a reversal or retracement in the market. The signal comes in, and as a screenshot like this, signal like this that comes in, that this screenshot that comes into the channel, and you can be able to take a look at it if you're using tab or iPhone mobile tab or mini laptop. You can be able to see those things clearly on your chart, and you can place trade anywhere you are, if you're in the office or any place, you can be able to place trade with the signals. Right? Thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Bye for now.